Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. My husband and I are constantly fighting over the blankets in the night, and no comforter seems to be the right size. But thankfully, I have found this one from SOULOOOE. It is an Oversized King Plus Comforter, and it is perfect. I am pregnant right now and I have a 2-year-old, so a lot of times when he goes for his nap, I get back into bed also, whether it's to have a nap or to do some work. I just love being in my bed, especially with this comforter. It's like being in a cloud. It is so soft and fluffy, and I love the look of it also with its box stitching, and the quilted shams that come with it are perfect for our king size pillows. This does have all the corner tabs if you would like to use it as a duvet insert. It fits right in my washing machine, and another thing I really love is that it does not take forever to dry. I only had to run one drying cycle, which is awesome because a lot of other bedding I've had takes a lot longer to dry, especially when it's bigger. If you're looking for a new comforter and you would love to sleep on a cloud like we do, I highly recommend this bedding. It is so soft and fluffy, super easy to wash and take care of, and it gives lots of space so you're not fighting with your partner. I love this bedding, my husband loves this bedding, and you will too. And that's my point of view.